So after going through the 23 letters of the Fijian alphabet individually over the past few weeks, now we will now go through the whole 23 letters together. And we will do this in two ways. One, we will go through the 23 letters and give you the phonetic spelling. So it will help you in how you pronounce the individual letters. And the other way, which is the way that most of us pick up the language growing up, is just by watching, hearing, and imitating the sound that our parents make or our grandparents make as we grow up. So that's how we are going to, in that second instance, that's how we're going to do the 23 letters of the Fijian alphabet, is for you to just watch me, hear the sound, watch the mouth, hear the sound, and imitate. Okay? And then you can tell me in the comments which one was easy for you, which one you preferred, or if it didn't really matter. Okay? That would help a lot. What I want you to do is to watch me, listen, and imitate the sound. That's how we are going to go through the 23 letters of the Fijian alphabet. Okay? So are you ready? Let's go. A, ba, da, da, e, fa, nga, i, cha, ka, la, ma, na, o, pa, ga, ra, sa, ta, u, va, wa, ya. Hope you got that.
These are the 23 letters of the Fijian alphabet. Please repeat after me. A, ba, da, da, e, fa, nga, i, cha, ka, la, ma, na, o, pa, ga, ra, sa, ta, u, va, wa, ya.